Las Vegas is the place to be when it comes to local food, entertainment, culture, and art.
Speaking of public art, we're gonna go on a walking tour to see all the awesome art sprinkled throughout the city. Let's go!
The first stop on our vibrant art installation tour is
Rainbow Spotting by Sarah Jean Odom.
So we're here at Rainbow Spotting by Sarah Jean Odom. This area, windows on first. We have 3 windows at City Hall that we program. Typically they're with local artists. We give this space for them to install artwork. Usually those installations are for 6 months. And this is Larger Than Life by Larry and Barbara Domsky. It was installed in March 2022. These are 4 musical notes that were installed near Symphony Park. The color really connects to the other installation in front of the Smith Center, Tim Babington's Pipe Dreams.
It functions as a really recognizable landmark for this area for the music and performing arts.
A quick rule of thumb, make sure that while you're walking, you're aware of your surroundings.
Yes, because you don't want to bump into a pole or anything. Also, make sure that you're utilizing the crosswalks.
So we're at Radial Symmetry, a sculpture by local artist Luis Varela Rico. We installed this sculpture in 2018 at the couplet between Main and Commerce, and the city redesigned Main Street. Symbolism for the sculpture is based on the Southern Paiute basket weaving tradition. The artist installed these 2 basket-like structures leaning on each other to support one another, kind of like commentary on the community that we need to support each other.
So we just finished looking at radio symmetry on this walk that is expected to be about 45 minutes. And now we're headed to the last stop on our beautiful public art walk, and it is on First Street. I'll tell you more. Well, actually, our experts will tell you more once we get there.
So this is one of the banners in our aerial banner gallery. We have 8 artists on display. This is Linda Alterwitz. And yeah, we have them all up and down First, going all the way up to the Golden Nugget.
So that's it for our City of Las Vegas public art walk tour.
But there's more to explore.
If you head to Google and look up City of Las Vegas Art Walk Tour, you'll find a map. It'll make it a little easier to follow along.
Thanks for watching.